Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to have a guest chef, my wife Catherine. She's going to make some sautéed ginger salmon, and it's my favorite way to eat salmon. And so hope you enjoy the recipe. Take it away, Catherine. What Catherine's going to make today will serve 2 people. So take about a 6 to 8 ounce piece of salmon. As you can see, she's removing the skin. Cut the salmon into 4 nice sized chunks. That'll leave 2 pieces of salmon for each person. Place the salmon in a small bowl. Take 1 green onions and slice. As you can see here, she basically only used 1/2 of a green onion. To make the marinade, add to the bowl of salmon 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Make sure each side of the salmon gets soaked with the olive oil. Salt lightly because we will be adding soy sauce a little bit later to the marinade. Add 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and rub into each side of the salmon. Add 1 teaspoon of white cooking wine. Catherine's using white rice wine. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Add 1/2 teaspoon of oyster flavored sauce. Mix all this together, cover, and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. After marinating for 30 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan over medium-low heat. Add your salmon and saute for about 3 minutes on each side, covered. Add about 1/8 of a cup of water to the bowl with the leftover marinade in it and stir in to make sure you get all the parts. After your salmon is slightly brown on one side, flip over and cook about 2 or 3 minutes on the other side, slightly browning both sides. Take your bowl with the leftover marinade and the 1/8 cup of water, pour into the pan and cover. This way it keeps the salmon moist and it also steams the inside to make sure the inside of the salmon is also cooked. After steaming for another 2 to 3 minutes, you can see that it's formed a little bit of a sauce. So the salmon is now ready to eat. This is one of my favorite ways of eating and cooking salmon. There's no fishy taste at all and just a really nice tasting piece of fish. So now we're ready to serve in our little serving dish. We will serve over a bed of rice and everything will taste great. I'm gonna try the salmon. I love the way this is cooked like this. Really good. If you like the video, give Catherine a thumbs up and please subscribe to Ed Foodie. And thank you for watching.